Hi, in this clip I'll tell you all about our Excel Level 1 course and show you what you'll learn. This course is perfect for those who have never used Excel before, but it's also suitable for those who are self-taught and just want to fill in any gaps in their knowledge. The course will be hands-on throughout and you'll gain lots of skills and confidence. In particular, knowing you're doing things the fastest, easiest and most error-free ways. During the course, you will create lists, move things around and insert rows and columns. We'll look at formatting numbers, for example as dates or as currency. You'll be able to quickly complete a sequence using autofill. Excel is great for calculations. We'll be adding up a series of figures and performing other calculations such as percentages. We'll show you how to set up everything so that all you need to change is one of the numbers and everything will automatically adjust for you. Then we'll also show you how to copy your calculations so that they stay correct every time. These days, people use Excel to store their data. We will show you how to ensure you always see your headings at the top of the screen. We'll also look at how to find information, get the data in the order that you want and filter it temporarily to see just the information that you are interested in. We'll use conditional formatting so that you can see exactly which figures have reached your targets and create charts to bring your figures to life. We'll also show you how to print out your figures. You'll be able to keep all of the exercise files so that you can continue your practice back at work. And you'll also get a full user manual to use on the day and beyond. But that's not all. We really want to help you get more productive. So we'll also give you access to our free telephone helpline after your course. If you'd like to find out more or have a chat with one of the team, please just give us a call or drop us an email.